So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Bradford white 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Up at the top, we gave you a brand new shutoff valve. That adapter was already soldered on, and that's all your copper in the wall. Over there, that's existing copper as well, the male stub out. So 2 new ball valves. We did that so we get the water turned back onto the house a little faster than we normally do. And of course, brass connectors or brass nipples. Falcon stainless steel connectors down to a brass extension. You got new venting, single wall, adjustable 90, pipe, adjustable 90. That's your existing dual wall B vent that goes up to the roof. And draft diverter comes with the unit, relief valve, temperature and pressure release, or relief. If you have any problems with temperature pressure, this will pop up and it will drain out to the sidewall. And that line right there, which is already installed. So we just tied in here another Falcon stainless steel connector. Upper third adjustable strap, lower third adjustable strap, and then of course brand new gas shutoff valve, flexible supply line over to the burner. Got it right now set at 120. You can read right here, scalding risk increases with hotter water. So hot, approximately 120. A130, B140, C150, very hot, 160, B140, 3rd-degree burns, 3 seconds. So be mindful of that. If you have anybody that's got a toddler, or especially an infant, or elderly, or those with I don't know what to call it. It's not a mental thing. It's like dementia, Alzheimer's. They've forgotten, when they put their hand in hot water to take it out. So we do hospice centers, and we leave it all the way on low and have them adjust it. 110 is fine. This is right here. That's 110. But 120, we leave it there. That's EPA, Environmental Protection Agency. That's what they recommend for safety. So we leave it there. Right now the burner's lit, and you should have hot water in about an hour. Outside of that, this installation is done.